Ministry of External Affairs S. Jaishankar arrived in Israel on December 16, 2025 on a two-day visit. The growing India-Israel nexus against the Muslims is very evident. Reportedly, after Netanyahu declined to visit India due to security reasons, Jaishankar is visiting Israel to convince the Israeli leadership to visit India. India has already lost prestige and wants Israeli backing for terrorism. Both states they have same objectives of ethnically cleansing Muslims. Israel is carrying out genocide of Muslims in Palestine, while India is carrying out genocide in Kashmir. India media backed by Israeli social media has falsely accused shooters of Bondi Beach as Pakistani citizen, which was not only refuted by Australian investigation, but the one of the shooters turned out to be Indian citizen. Israel and India, they are forming an axis of evil to investigate violence and misinformation in other countries through coordinated campaigns. The growing nexus has become exposed as Jaishankar visit make it clear that the two evil states are coordinating terrorist activities in different countries. From Gaza to Kashmir, similar playbooks of militarization, surveillance and demographic engineering are being followed by dark nexus of India and Israel.